In this value drawing portrait, let us learn how to draw a human face. So first we have taken a A3 size paper. This is a Canson paper. On top of it, we are putting charcoal powder along with a brush. Once we have spread across, we can take out the excess powders. Now with the help of a needle eraser, we'll try to mark the highlighted part before, because it is all the game between the highlight and the darkness, the highest part or the darkest part. So if you see that every time I'm adjusting the tip of the needle eraser so that I can manage it. Now with the help of a charcoal pencil, I'll just mark the eye line and few of the dark area where I am not getting the desired darkness along with the charcoal powder. As because I am using a charcoal powder where whose values are not so much dark, so I needed a additional darkness. So once I have added the eye part, I will go for the another eye and I'll ensure that I have the depth of the eye. So what happens as you grow older, your eye goes into the socket, so you have a more depth in the eyes for older people. Once this is done, then I have to focus on the cheek area, especially where there is a beard section and the mouth. Now here the mouth is really open and the noses are really on the sharper side with a little bit wrinkles. So if you look at the mouth, it is open without the teeth. So what I've done is that I have filled with this and I will use a stump to just blend the charcoal pencil. And once this is done, I will also add up to the border line with the cheek and the ears and the head part. So once we have developed all this area, now this is the time you will be using all the needle eraser. With the needle eraser, we are highlighting the main nose and rest of the parts, especially on the forehead. There will be a lot of wrinkles, so you have to be very careful when you are doing it. So there is one part where I have exceeded the shadow area. So what I'll do is that in this certain areas I will add up a little charcoal so that this excess place which has been taken out again it is filled. Once this is done, I will take a pencil and then I'll add up few of the strokes which is there inside the shadow area. Once this is done, with a gentle stroke, I am slowly removing the charcoals. Here, I don't want my additional whiteness to come up. I don't want much of a brightness to come up. So, a little bit less of a charcoal will do. So, understand this is a value drawing, so we will play with the values. So if you look at, slowly I am removing and smudging the charcoals which I have along with the needle eraser. So when I have a needle eraser, I'm actually taking away a little bit of charcoal and keeping little charcoal on the page so that the values still remain there. Once this is done, then we would be highlighting the white cloth which is wrapped across the head of the person. Now there are a lot of highlighted part which I am just adding up to it. Now when I have enter area been secured and I am marking with this needle eraser, now I have taken an electric eraser. So this is a 5 mm electric erasers. Now this will help me remove entire charcoal part and gives me the most brightest area. So with this we will little bit highlight the wrinkles, nose, and slowly the main drapes on the white fabric. Slowly you play around with this area, especially when somebody is wrapping a cotton cloth on the head, there will be lot of wrinkles. So you have to ensure that all the drips been captured. And also we don't want exactly a realistic view other than our impression one, because value drawing is all about impression. So now we are just fasten it up, making you understand that how we can finish the work. Now once this is done, I am adding little bit of needle eraser to give it more smudging experience. Once this is over, then we will take a 2.3 mm of eraser. This is electrical eraser, and then we will start working on the fine part like the eyebrows, then the beard. Especially you have to work on the beard where there is a lot of light falling on. Whenever there is a light falling on, we will highlight with this, and the rest of the part we will keep only shaded, so that you can play with the contrast where there is a lot of light falling on or where there is a lot of shadows falling on. If you look at, we are slowly giving a stroke of the beard, the random beard, because it's not very meant, so the very untidy hairs. But wherever there is not light falling on, I am not putting much of pressure. With the gentle strokes, I'm actually taking away a little bit of charcoal and giving these strokes. If you look at, it is not a brighter strokes, still there are charcoal remaining. So when you look at from uh, up, you can see there is a play of shadow and light. Similar kind of videos are also uploaded here in this channel. You can visit. I'll be uploading more for more drawing like this. If you wish to see more like this, please like and share, subscribe, and share with your friends and families. Let me know what kind of drawing you want to learn. So here I'm just giving up little bit of strokes, little understanding of the figure, and then once this is done, you know that there is a body is there, uh, then you can just sign off and your painting is ready. Similar kind of painting you can draw.